welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're gonna use that delicious vegan cranberry sauce that we made last time for these amazing little morsels of delicious appetizer in your mouth. So you can serve this, as I said last time in that video, you can serve this before Thanksgiving, a little pre-dinner appetizer, or cranberry sauce is always one of the things that's left over after Thanksgiving or after any holiday, so you can use the leftovers to make these. So I actually saw these on the Facebook. I think it was like Tasty or Delish or one of those, those little like quick little videos that you see on social media. It was one of those, and it was vegetarian, and they used brie. So I was like, you know what, girl, let's just veganize this bitch right up, okay? Ye old tube of crescents is one of those things that is accidentally vegan. So this is what we're going to use, and I'm pulling out my handy dandy pizza cutter, and we're going to cut this into 24 small pieces. They're going to be little squares, and we're going to put them in a mini muffin tin, you guys. So you can definitely make this like 48 if you want to make like a big recipe, if you got a lot of people coming over. Oh my god, so perfect for the holidays. Like, it's so delicious. I can't wait. Okay, so now we're going to come over here to our little mini muffin tin, which I lightly sprayed just a little bit, and we're just going to squish these babies in there just like we did with like our spinach and artichoke puffs. It's like super easy, you guys. I love this recipe. It's like, I don't know, you get like the texture and the like sweetness, but like the cheesiness. Oh my god, you guys, it's just really good. Okay, I made them like a million times last year, and it's perfect because I feel like you always have leftover cranberry sauce. Like, am I right or am I right? Like, a little bit of cranberry sauce goes a long way. So now we're going to come in here with a little bit of vegan cream cheese. I'm actually using the Go Veggie this time. First time I've ever had this brand, but we have it now at my local grocery store. So I was like, girl, this is what we gonna get. So we're going to just take a little bit, just like a little spoonful, and we're just going to put it on in there. So I think the original recipe used brie, but I don't know. I've never seen a vegan brie. I'm sure there's one out there, but I've never seen it. And I feel like this is super easy because like regular cream cheese, like if you're not vegetarian, is like way cheaper than brie. And actually I think this was cheaper than if I bought brie. So even though that used to be my fave, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to make a vegan brie while you guys hit that subscribe button, I'm just gonna continue to fill these guys right up. So now I'm going to come in with this beautiful vegan cranberry sauce we made the other day. Make sure you watch that video. So again, I'm just going to take just a little bit, and we're just going to put them right on top there. And again, like, I mean, to use the leftover cranberry sauce, like, I just love that because, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like we waste too much food in this country, and I'm just rambling now, but I feel really passionate about trying to use everything the best you can. And then we're going to come right behind there and just put a little pecan on top. So I don't have like all whole pieces. So if I don't, like, I got these little, like, I'm just going to put these two little guys. You just want, what we're doing is we're giving it a crunch because the crescent rolls don't have that like it's not as flaky and crunchy as like a puff pastry. So we want to give it a little extra crunch with these pecans, and then the little saltiness. Oh my god, goes this like flavor combination, you guys. I cannot even tell you how good it is. Now we're going to pop these in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 12 to 15 minutes until we get nice golden brown flaky crust. Push subscribe. You guys, and look at these little babies. Oh girl. Okay, so I'm gonna try and bite one in half and show you like the innards, right? Oh hot. Look at that. That is like You get the sweetness of the cranberry sauce. Oh, the creaminess of that vegan cream cheese. Oh, hot. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Hot. Oh, they're hot. So hot. Oh, then you get the saltiness and crunch of the pecan. I'm burning my face off right now. My face is like so red I can't even. But that shit is so good. Ooh, it is so good. Girl, I cannot stress this enough. These are so delicious little morsels. Pop them in your mouth. You won't be sorry. Full written recipe will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And you guys, make sure that you subscribe to my videos. Push that little bell notification so you don't miss the next time I give you one for the holidays or the cold winter months. We're getting into like chili season and like Actually, chili might be next. You know what? Vegan chili might be next. So you're going to want to hit that sub button. I'm just telling you that right now, girl. Okay. Now that I'm sorry, I'm delirious because my mouth is like on fire. Not from like, it's not spicy, just like it's hot. It burned me. Okay. I'll get you next time, girl.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.